How do you actually heal yourself there? What is the motive and why did you go there in the first place? So again, the answer is quite simple. So having reached your particular destination, it could be your current childhood or it could be previous lives. How do you actually heal yourself there? What is the motive and why did you go there in the first place? So again, the answer is quite simple, and it follows this particular formula called as reliving is relieving. As you keep reliving this particular event in your life again and again in your mind, you tend to get relieved of the emotional content that is blocking you in that particular life and also which is causing a shadow to come in this particular current life. More important is the attitude, and the attitude should be one of forgiveness leading to joy. The attitude of forgiving all that happened at that particular time, whatever you felt in your mind and emotions, leading to a sense of joy. So it's these two twin techniques once you reach a particular destination. The first is relieving through reliving the particular episode, and the second is attitude of forgiveness leading to joy.